Hi, if you're looking to extract Airbnb listings that look like this into a CSV or Google Sheets file organized by price, rating, beds, lat long, etc., and even get data like occupancy rate and review count and trends, I'm going to show how the B&B Toolbox Chrome extension can do that. There's no coding or technical knowledge needed. This video will go through the premium version of the app with unlimited listings functionality. Let's get started. After installing the extension, navigate to Airbnb's website and fill out some information in the search bar. I'm going to choose Chicago and set some random dates and number of guests. You don't really have to specify any filters more than just the location. Here is the search results page, and on the left are all the listings we want to scrape. Note that currently, Airbnb listings show 18 listings per results page. I'm going to open up the B&B Toolbox extension at the top right. Then I'm going to click the gear icon to open up the settings. Here you can control the automation that the extension performs. Selecting the Auto Navigate Search Results option will allow the app to automatically navigate to each page in the search results and extract the data from each page. If you're using the free version, you'll have to manually navigate to each page. I'll go over what this other option called Automate Scraping Listings page does later. Then I'm going to click Scrape to start the automation task. Keep the pop-up open to allow the app to do its thing. Fast forwarding, you can see that I've successfully scraped 260 property listings from the search results. Now, if you want to add more listings to this, you can simply change the location of the map, allow the search results to update, and then click Scrape again. If there are any duplicate listings, the extension will handle them for you. The extension can also extract and estimate the occupancy rate for specific listings. To do so, I'm just going to click on one of the listings in the list. This navigates to that listings page where a user can book the listing. If I open up the B&B Toolbox extension on this page and click Scrape, it will then parse this page for detailed information to get the occupancy rate and other data. You can see that it is extracting information from the calendar as well as the reviews. Once that's done, I can see this calendar icon indicating that there's occupancy rate data for this listing. If I click the down arrow here, I can see the detailed information for this listing like the lat long, the fees breakdown, and more. Scrolling a bit further, I can see the occupancy rate data. What this data shows is, for example, as of today, about 74% of November's days have been booked. Similarly, 32% and 6.5% have been booked for December and January respectively. This gives investors an idea of the demand for this type of booking and can be used to judge the profitability of a specific listing. This next section shows the number of reviews that the listing received in the past year. This can provide some information on the trend of the stays as well. So I extracted this data from a single listing. To automatically do this for all the listings on the list, I can set the other option in the settings called Automate Scraping Listings Pages. This will go through the entire list, go to each listing page, and extract the occupancy rate and reviews from each page. I'm going to set that and click Scrape to show you how it works. The extension is getting the data from the second listing now. And now the third. You can stop the automation task at any time by just simply closing the pop-up. The progress and data up until that point will be saved. To start back where you left off, you just have to open up the extension and click Scrape again. Alright, let's say I'm satisfied with what I have here. I'm going to click the download button. I can either save it as a CSV file to my computer or save directly to Google Sheets. I'm going to choose Google Sheets for simplicity. The extension gives me a link to follow to open the file. Now I can see all the nicely formatted data including the price, name and title, number of beds, baths, listing link, occupancy rates, etc. in the sheet. From here, I can manipulate and analyze the data however I want. And that's it. I hope this video helped show how to use the extension. The link for installing the B&B Toolbox Scraper extension is in the description below. Try it out for free and please don't hesitate to contact me if you're having any issues. Thanks for watching.